How to increase font size on Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to increase your font size on Snapchat, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to the settings on your mobile device. After you go to the settings on your mobile device, now you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of display. After tapping on the option of display, now you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of font size and style. After tapping on font size and style, you can see the interface like this. Now here what you have to do is you have to increase the font size by tapping on like this. After you increase the font size like this to the extent that you want, your font size will be increased here, and this way after you increase the font size on your very mobile device, the size of everything will be increased, increasing your and including your Snapchat on your mobile device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.